High-performance electronic and optical test systems require precision timing references to synchronize data collection and distributed test devices. Using a GNSS-disciplined oscillator provides pulse per second, or PPS, timing signals to provide this high-stability timing reference. Using Moku Delta, an FPGA-based 2 GHz bandwidth test platform, I'm going to show you how to achieve pulse per second timing synchronization using a GNSS antenna and the built-in GNSS receiver. So I've placed an antenna next to the window here in my lab and plugged that into the back panel GNSS input of my Moku Delta. Using the configurable clock blending settings in the app, I can choose which precision timing references I want to enable. Enabling the 1 pulse per second synchronization reference, I can see that we've detected 22 satellites. These satellites have extremely high precision oscillators on board, and now we get to use that as our timing reference, ensuring long-term timing stability for very precise data logging, even if we have systems distributed across different sites. If you want to learn more, head to liquidinstruments.com and try the app.